So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be waiting for the technical team to plug us in the Amazonian Communication Network. So, for the meantime, I'll be using this platform as an alternative platform to my Facebook page, Emmanuel Dong. As you know very well, that page has been suspended from doing live on Facebook. So, we'll be broadcasting through this new Facebook page, and also it will be shown live on our Amazonian Communication Network. Everybody, welcome to the No Politics Zone. Okay. Okay. I just want to add the other account so that both accounts they go link, and then we'll go fit continue with our show. And I think say be ready as well for the Amazonian. Let's see. Okay, I think everything is ready. I want to double check if it is already on Amazonian Communication Network. So there we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are welcome today for this new episode of the No Talk Zone, an advocacy platform, as we know, a platform where they talk the truth and nothing but the truth. So today we'll get a lot of breaking news for Giampona, as well as a lot of revelation for our struggle. We know very well, so we specialize for do investigation, to make sure so we deliver the truth for the Amazonian people, fresh, bold, unafraid, and fair, so that they will be able to get the right information about the decision where it be made about their life, and as far as our liberation struggle will be concerned. We also make sure so we hold leadership to account for make sure say wait did the promise and for the Amazonian people it be based on attainability, so that when there were people, they go to wait for the things the way they promise them, they go eventually get them. Now the thing that would do and would also push leadership and push the structure them for make sure say me them be effective, so that we will get for Buea within the short possible period. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonian and people then for the Southern Cameroon territory, I welcome on for this platform. I think say it don't go live now for our Ambazonian communication network, so we will feel run the show. We'll get a lot of things that will present for now as we talk for the last show we get them, but unfortunately not only time it will be short. So today we will try to do some of those things that we will not be doing last time. But first I go want to update on us some more with waiting the way it happened for Ground Zero. And they talk so I try to check for look if they are already start broadcast them already as our technical team it don't talk okay. Yeah, everything will be set. So today na number 29 day for number 19 day for this month for December for 2020. My name na Capo Daniel Senspas King. Now me be the Deputy Defense Chief, the DDC of the Ambazonian Defense Forces for our zone Ambazonia, and would be for here today for present una update as well as for present una a detailed analysis, critical thinking regarding the things the way they face with the big news and the breaking news where they come out and say the discussion, high level discussion where they go on between the governing council and the United Nations Organization, the UNO, it don't fail because the Cameroon government it then decide to pull back. And I think where one of the scenarios then that will be the expectum. I will give you the update and the details about those high level talks the way that they go on under our nose. When I remember, diplomacy no be thing for propaganda, diplomacy no be thing for use and for gain political advantage over the various factions them, but we take the responsibility for our revolution very seriously. Now why that way those communication then with the United Nations will be classified with other communication the way the governing council they do them on behalf of the Ambazonian people, so that when una dey sleep make una know say people then the way they work hard so that make this independent world wait and make it come for true, make it come true. So all wanna be welcome. I want to salute the people at the CMRC say Eze Obina ide online, Ambas Glocos ide online as well, and the people where they would watch me live from Ground Zero for Buea, Kumba, Mamfi, Ndian, Widikum, Ngokitunja, Ndonga Mantung, Miselele. I want to salute una all the people for Victoria, the wonderful top. I want to salute una all for Toxic all money place day for all our generals, our commanders, our foot soldiers, them for inside Ground Zero for the Ambazonian Defense Forces and our sister forces them. I want to talk say when a cafe day up, all money place a day. So as usual, we always start with a song for welcome all man. We will make this one very, very brief and then we will go straight for our presentation for today. So today I will still playing the music for one of these Ambazonian activists, the musician them way we want to promote them Akia.
I'm sitting here in my corner, watching and not believing. Too many people dying for the wrong reasons. Too many homes broken, too many souls taken. Too many long talks, people die when they're still grieving. I just saw you, we had a talk. We had a talk about everything that was going on. I made a promise to you that I was gonna make it. Now that you're gone in your eyes, man, I never made it. Shit, people invested their lives in this place. Hard work, blood, tears coming down their face. This was the place everybody came to relax. Now everybody running away, not looking back. All we wanted was a change, a little upgrade. We have a right to strike, so the law said. For the day, open eye, that's a normal thing. Perica no get for grow, that one a normal thing. Rather than spray good vibes, you spray bullets. Come for your house, open fire, then call them stray bullets. You just killed the mom of a child who just lost his dad. Now we join the people fighting this battle to fight back. I remember when they started with stones and matches. Big rubber guns, you laugh, say nothing go happen. Sin and done the bad, look at the body count. On both sides, people keep dying. Why you put fire on a man's back, running for help? Why kill him now and say you thought that he was somebody else? Give guns to everybody for a fair fight. For Christ's sake, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired.
Why the killing? Why the blood? We just really wish that we could have a talk. You killing your brother, you killing
truth to the facts. Let's have a peaceful conversation, then we start to react. Guns down for a minute, let's pray for a better day. Sit face to face, we can walk this out a better way. You're wrong for your doings, it's easy if you admit it. Let me take responsibility for mine, then we're even. Give me what I want and I'll give you what you want. We all got so much to lose, you understand? You can replace everything but not the life of a man. You can replace everything that you take from a man. So I'm ready for a talk, set a time, choose a place. And I hope you don't come with a gun right to my face. Too many people.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon Territory, I want to salute Una and welcome Una once more for this show, the No Connector Zone. Now, zone where we bring Una update, diplomatic update, as well as critical analysis for the Ambazonian Liberation War, so that we will be informed about the things the way they go on from all of our territory, from the Savannah State to the Atlantic States. Now, me, Capo Daniel, Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonian Defense Forces, and our own countryman, Sense Pass King. Now, me, I don't come again today for Camp President with this update where it did plenty so. Because this show today, now one way they follow the one for last week, we will just go straight to the point. We'll get a lot of material for cover them. Now time in no day, but we will do as much as possible every day for to put these things in before our people, because we know say now very, very critical things in. So today we'll go one start for which way they happen for inside the Savannah States, where they happen for inside Ndop. Would the year say the La République du Cameroun Colonia DO. The first teacher them where they did for inside Ndop. Say me them pay 50,000 for you for sign them at the station. Say they don't get effective service for restart the teaching job where they teach them for inside Ndop. The one it show we how decay this system for La République du Cameroun day with corruption it don't be now mandatory, corruption it don't get now price, and the very, very bad things and this way it happen we would do for inside country with a union with a country where they don't bring only a virus for corruption and nothing enough worker. So if they recall the one push the deal them is supposed to day for them to push the teacher, they mean they can't teach people they are picking them. But this deal way they from Ndop will not say the state now for instance Campbell, it don't come for they talk say the teacher the way they fear war way they go on as La République they key they need the look face they key only Ambazonia them. Most of those teachers they don't run, they don't go them back for Bamenda so and they for Yaoundé. For inside La République, they don't call, they say me they come back for inside village for can teach. Instead for can teach, they know say they know we teach the SDO, them when I teach people them popo for inside La République, they don't take the opportunity for begin charge the teacher, they say me they pay money, then they go sign the book, they go back for inside Yaoundé, while they go remain for they chop their money. Now system this for chop people their money, for only for chop and for chop me the poor people then they don't get no concern about our picking their education, but now people the way then they only for chop. I want to also inform our people that so that open 2 new schools them within this past week for inside Ambazonia. The Governing Council Education Board it work very hard for multiply the amount of students within they for inside our community school, as during this time for our liberation struggle we don't ban all institutions for La République du Cameroun, in particularly school. We call on all schools them, private and mission school them made them convert into community school, and we call for all those one the way they for town. And even in the one way they for village area, them for rural area, them me them continue for begin observe all the revolutionary standard the way our general them for the ground that set up for them, in particularly for no for wear school uniform, because those school uniform them now a provocation for picking the way they for inside bush for fight for our freedom, and the one the way they no fit go for school in the IDP them, the one the way they run from Nigeria. So they need to be very, very sensitive. And in particular, the government school them from La République it be completely banned. Me no man you know begin take the risk for sending picking them for the kind of school, and make any school where picking they go, they meet the parents, they ask the school for make sure say they don't contact the general the way they live in that area, and they don't permit that school make it go for respect the revolutionary standard, because this struggle na struggle for all man. So we'll be very happy also with the people for Bangalang, for Ndop. We don't spend time to talk for the community leaders, the traditional rulers, and for the as the governing council, the president of the governing council, Dr. Cho Ayaba, be done commission. We say maybe we'll specify, go for region to region for set up the transitional authority and where e go dey be implemented for ground zero. So make una no surprise say the general dem for the ground dey go dey engage with the local population, because for the liberated area dem, place the whole don kick out La Republique du Cameroon, we need to fill that gap, and some sort of consensus or some sort of a mandate go be required for the people dem for empower our general dem for dwell and for govern in some aspect in this period of our liberation, not a civil administration, but some sort of a transitional authority, as the governing council dan talk. They go dey implement them. It already be implemented for ground zero right now. They go, but the issue concerning a mandate to govern certain affairs, to keep law and order, that one is already going, but there are some need for step in there, because this war now war it don't go for instance very serious issue. Then we then get challenges there for area the way, if you wait, you get land dispute, you get dispute when they don't catch black leg to execute somebody. They need to get due process where you go involve a consensus on that authority for carry out those type of actions, and lot more issue than we will face up a ground way that require say me the governing council take this decision for ask the ADF make it help for implement this policy for ground zero. So we want let una make una know. Some audio today where they circulate now within the Mbororo community. The Ambazonian Mbororo, they don't receive this audio them, and it be very, very worrisome. Now audio where they try for recruit our Mbororo use them, me then go for inside B, because they want use them for tap into that conflict where they between the farmers and the Mbororo people them, for try for use divide and rule. One raises alarmic, all our Mbororo people then they stay away. We know say the particular man where he forward, he push this agenda, he don't send the audio in him na they call na his excellence, what I be excellent in waiting. Ahmed Hassan, we na person way, no be Ahmed Hassan, sorry, I don't give the wrong name, but na person way he work for inside La Republique. His name na Siddiq, na he don't send na Ahmad Jackie. Na Mbororo person where he be na the president for the Cultural and Social Development Association for the Mbororo people then, and na person na Mbororo way come from Ambazonia, and he too na Secretary General for Ministry of La Republique, their Ministry of Livestock and Animal Industry, and a member of La Republique, their occultic group. They come out the CPDM group, and he send out this audio for ask our Mbororo youth them. For me, they can join B.
Salam alaikum, Jauleru Buskuda Boundru in the Alash Jajimano Gidado, President de Honneur, Nasty Jauleru Hande Alat.
So, na hear from that audio, now this audio is circulated for the Mbororo youth them to invite them, they can go join La Republique du Cameroon, their educational system. That one a very, very bad thing, and what we want call our Mbororo youths them then disease for attend this type of program, then we be men for use them against their own brother them. I will try to get the speaker so we could fit listen for the audio. Today we'll get some audio, then we'll play them. The first one where I want to talk the first audio where I will play them, later on I will bring those audio, but I will first do the updates, because there are some important updates in the way I need for do them as well will be very, very important, and I will take una. The main issue for today we will talk about General Arike. There is the news and comment say the HD as it continue for intensify for try to destroy this revolution as it then partner with Sako, Chris Ano, Bo Herbert, Ebenezer Akwanga, who yesterday the latest victim we don't fall for the HD their hand. Na General Arike, so we'll bring that one for now, and we'll also bring out very big breaking news concerning General Chacha. If you remember the time when General Chacha will die, a woman be been an informant way be discuss with me, and he be inform we about what way be happen. And one time the woman does disappear, we don't finally get hold of who's the woman day and which way it happened. So I could bring those ones and for now. Now very, very important information we will need for Noah. And so I go want start first now for inside Mavas. because some dangerous situation the way they evolve for inside Mavas before I bring on those audios them. When I remember say La Republic then they try to attack Mavas way na for the way the mother base for the forces them way they did for the where they defend Acquire. Now the mother base they for the they don't try it don't pass them. So but some issue the evolve for around Mavas day because on small village they call an Aqua. Agua is not there too far from from Mavas. They actually Agua it be now under some place where they call an Balem. Balem it be around 9 miles away from Mavas. Now for the way La Republic they station their troops there for the and then they come out can attack for inside Mavas. They try to go for inside Acquire. So the forces them for inside Mavas they be seen 8 of their forces them meet them go for inside Angua, where they be noticed some small unit for La Republic, their military, they be there for day, they go attack them. But by the time they reach for day, the military they not be there for day. But then see how the population it come out, it go. When I know say how way this infiltrator they can separate this struggle into county by county, village by village, me all man go for a village. It be create a lot of problem in particular if inside Acquire, it be destabilize Acquire a little bit. So you get the forces the way they live inside Balem where they be done basically stop the struggle because of those anger from those division there. Now they don't be vulnerable and they don't fall for inside La Republic their hand. From where to the hear La Republic, they don't pay, they use them with money. Some of them become now like a vigilante. And which way happen, I say when these forces them from Mavas under General Omega, they enter for inside Agua. They reach there around 7 o'clock. They no be see La Republic, their military for day, so then be forced for sleep for day. But surprisingly, the sea population it run away. Like say they prepare a ground for La Republic for attack, and during that time they will be suspicious. So 4 of the forces then for day then decide to go back. They no sleep for day, so then left that place. But unfortunately, 4 forces them they sleep for day. Those youths them then go come back where they don't be well armed and they attack these 4 soldiers the way they be there for they sleep, they no be get enough protection from which would hear and they kill one of the commander the way be very famous with it they call it na Ferdinand. So Ferdinand for when one of the picking of the day he then kill and then they kill then tie all of them for their hands, they go execute them, they throw their body them for inside water. Ferdinand if you know very well if he did for those pictures then way they don't come up from Acquire area they now I picture that then kill 4 of them killed by their own brother then for the court for the next village. So this issue, this dead way they don't kill these 4 people, then it don't cause a big problem because the forces then from Mavas they want to attack the whole of Balem because of this betrayal. We don't try to negotiate and try to stop them and be patient. But now the whole population for inside Balem then be at risk because they see and now like na tribal mafia way. This boy they don't play and but will not send a La Republic be for behind. So the whole Balem population way they for inside Manfe they need to be careful because this tension the fist spilled inside Manfe will be very concerned. Say inside Manfe the picking for Mavas the fist start attack the picking the way they come up for Balem day and I would try to bring in some tranquility for try to reconcile and make sure say make them focus against one enemy La Republic to Cameroon. But now they kind difficulties in this will face them because these people the way they be take all these forces they put them under this so-called county or LGA they then basically abandon them. When they see all these things they pain me for our heart because this boy then a treasure, a national treasure. Every time begin them put their life on the line for fight for the country. Now a big thing many people they not take and begin play for politics with them. Would also then talk say bad leadership now he then destroy this struggle. If the SDF politician they will know them, they know be inject themselves with politics for this revolution, who for them already go very far. When I remember how they start the Amazonian Defense Forces, you get Benedict Kwa, the defense chief, and the DC. Also, Sheikh Kabi, they go for ground zero for trained forces them. General Ivo and many other forces they win and they be the pioneer and the backbone for this our revolution. All the forces they be one until this infiltrator and decide for come for this struggle. For infiltrate for try to take over these forces them. When we look the forces them for inside Nigeria, it make our feel envy. See how the forces them be organized and be well managed. Just imagine all the money where they would not waste them for gear for these people then we didn't take and go chop them. And then imagine the small money where they gear for the Ambazonia Defense Forces, how did they manage and find? They've been at the main supporter for Ground Zero when it comes to supply ammunition, training, discipline, and then be the hope. They then give you one of our best forces that will get them. So from this one, I go take Uname go for which way it happened for General Arake. Would the yes General Arake then for the next the latest victim for the HD. When I know say the HD na company we then sign contract with some of these people then for they call themselves say the ARC we include Bo Herbert, Ebenezer Akwanga, Chris Anu, Sako, and all these people where they don't go for day. We don't get very, very disturbing information. I think will be done already, they know one very well. But we don't hear now say the HD they don't succeed for move General Arake out of Ground Zero. General Arake now say they don't go for Ghana also. We know say at the same time they don't do for plenty soldiers, they don't never come back. Even likely Field Marshal also probably likely they don't take it out of the theater. And this is the show now the bad the result of bad leadership. We also don't work very, very hard for save General Arake when these IG people they want assassinate because we see a person will get a lot of potential and he be very organized. Will be helping me in particular, be help the forces there for they for set up the British Southern Cameroon resistance forces. They will work hard for bring all those forces them together, get weapon there, even for the boy there for Benakuma. Bring all those boys them under General Arake. But it don't be na the way some people they don't come for political expediency. They don't carry now on a see which way they can tend for be. Imagine how much money way some people they don't pump them inside this force for if you can just abandon the force like that. You get people there for Azua. There are a lot of other peripheral forces and they around that area where they look up to General Arake for leadership. We know see General Golawe for ground for instance Ginicom. It fight very, very hard. And this one a big blow for the revolution, but we know say a big lesson also for the Ambazonian people for know say the need for belief in institution. I think say Bibina last year we start get information about General Arake, one of our informant way to work with these people the way they try to disarm soldier them. They be tip we off say they already they get discussion with General Arake to take it out of the theater, for even take it suited to Germany and a lot of things like that. And it began to happen at that time. And I will reach out for some very close people then for ye. I will try for warning because the informant will be worried at that time, say they for fear assassinate General Arake, say they deceiving and deceiving. And I say they be plan that those Bulu people they when they meet up they feel killing no matter which way the Prime Minister and those other people they try to deceive or for promise. So those situations will be guaranteed that time say nothing no will happen and nothing no be happen, and we'll see how things that play very soon. We'll be start seeing a diplomatic letter then from the diplomatic corps from Yaoundé will be get later the way they be signed and by their so-called CEO the way they want to take over this group. They write already to try to represent the whole country. But inside the diplomatic corps, those documents they become. I will share with Anthony when Anthony done already work hard in terms of community mobilization. To make that force me be get the image where it be. They nobody already be that way, but we will try to find out for how if we do work with the remnant of the forces, them the new leader the way they did for day. You get the General G also way they for inside day for Bello. You get General Gola and all those forces them our forces that will be done bring them for inside Fundong. Those things that you know be done already pick up very well, but we will try to see. Bring those boys them together for see that block is stand up because now a very important block for we. You know if you fall like that, the forces of the day then see be very, very motivated and will be optimistic for the future for the fight we go there for inside Boyo. So I will also want to talk about the issue where it happened for inside Bamenda. For inside Bamenda, the capital city for the Savannah State. La République du Cameroon, their terrorist forces them, they still go around, they still target our bike people them. You know say they don't begin left them, they work for inside town. They seize their bike them, they terrorize them every day for across Bamenda for day. Now the kind thing this way the people them fit do for we, not only for bring. When I see a video this, they don't see any bike man.
What they are doing, they are just taking people back for nothing.
So now the Kelebe and this, now the Egyptian and this, they just come seize people that bike them, take and go down to their station so that they feel get reason for take bribe from these people then. Now all these type of things they see and what they do for our territory, harassing citizens who have done nothing, who are just going about their day-to-day life. All this harassment it go on day after day for inside Ambazonia. Our people they suffer a lot from this occupation. I will go continue for fight. We will get more and more new recruits them from this area them, and we hope say we can take this nightmare for La Republique du Cameroon once and for all out of our territory. So before I go take una for the audio then for play the audio way I want play for una today. Now two audio then they one about General Chacha and one about the Fondoms. But I think I will start the one about General Chacha first. We don't get a break again as I be tell now for concerning General Chacha. But before we do that, there is one boy who was killed also in Batibo. In Batibo, this guy he was killed. He went there for a funeral from Bamenda. Sorry for Bali. From Bamenda, this boy, his name is Elvis Babila. He live in Bamenda. He go for inside village for go cry die for go do some burial. He go for go do the burial for inside Bali. After they finish the burial, after they come out and see armored car, he can pass. He go come back. He dey say the armored car, they work a fine and he for kill him. They meet the boy, then just shoot the boy, execute him, he die. This boy no be get nothing to do with the struggle at all. Nothing at all. The only possibility what they think and I say some person be there for inside that armored car where he can point him and shoot him. And that person will surely be a person who get personal problem for them. And the one show now the type of thing where they happen, how La Republique du Cameroon, their forces them across our national territory, they just kill our people them anyhow. Anyhow, they just massacre our people then. Like this. So Babylon are one of the casualties the way that fall because of Ibina and Bazonia. One of the crimes then that way Mr. Paul here commit them across our national territory. So from there, I think we don't already hear the big news where they come up from the governing council when the failure of the diplomatic conversation where they go on. It didn't go on for a long time between the governing council and the United Nations. That talks from the governing council side, it will be led by the Secretary of State. The Secretary of State of the governing council, now Dr. Larry Ayamba, he will get a big meeting with Ambassador Fall. I think we know Ambassador Fall, now a very popular person. Now he be the regional head for Central Africa for the United Nations. They then get series of meeting with the Ambazonia Governing Council regarding the future of our state and our claim for our sovereignty. This high level meeting they then involve the highest level for the Governing Council as well as the highest level of the United Nations. They then be engaged and will then be engaged with other organs for the United Nations, and we will hear soon from some of those declassification them because those talks they not be meant now for political for politicize our struggle, but it means now for the Ambazonian people them. And a very, very good the good thing what I tell the people then I say in one of those organs them, not the United Nations the General Assembly or the Secretariat, but in one of those organs that I was involved, you could actually see that the United Nations is recognizing and calling us as people from the British Southern Cameroon, which is would tell us they are the right side of history, they are the right side, they do the right thing. So make all money be very sure of that. So ladies and gentlemen, I think say the communication department if it make some error when they want to share this picture, the mistake share one of the picture with Dr. Larry where they meet up the representative for the Somaliland for African Union, the ambassador to African Union. As part of our diplomatic push, we will meet up a lot of high-profile people then from the governing council, and those things then still be classified. So we'll not talk, but the governing council, Dr. Chua Ayaba and his team, Dr. Larry Ayamba, and all those who are in the governing council, they are working very hard to make sure that our country have the recognition we deserve. So we'll go turn now for General Chacha. General Chacha, if he say they gun them as we be done tell now before, see General Chacha, if he take the ADF gun the way they can't catch them for them, if he go sell those gun them for take the money, he take that money where they be give am for he go buy na oops, I'll need to send those audio for another phone. So excuse me. General Chacha be sell the gun them for ADF as we don't talk to the Amazonian people. Say General Chacha if he don't sell the ADF gun them, and if he sell that gun, he go buy camion from which we don't hear now for Douala. So now why that way woman be just disappear? That way they be kill General Chacha, the woman be just disappear, go in for Kumba. For go begin to enjoy the money for the camion the way he must have been take money for ADF gun them, he go buy them. So now one of the communication in this way, this one an imam way there for inside Bafusam for the place with General Chacha if he buy the camion they work for inside Bafusam till today with the money then that way they gun the way were Amazonian people they dance suffer donate money then will buy guns them for give for ground zero. General Chacha then carry that gun them, go sell them, take the money them. Will not say they sell them for La Republic according to the intel we get them and the evidence and this they can support them. They will sell the ADF gun them, take the money, he go buy a camion for inside Bafusam, the camion they work. So this one I translated from the conversation where we don't tap them, where they talk about the conversation how this imam where they stay for Bafusam, he talk with one of our informant them. We get this information. Time we General Chacha a woman be run camp for some, it be first can stay in for their house. Now the conversation is this.
Yes, woman. For young. The woman there for people they will go down for. So the thing only God. Like for instance, some people that go kill them. Because normally she don't begin to keep so that when you're trying, and then you don't go reach.
The first part of the audio it talk about the conversation still about the guy where he kill those ADF soldier them. He start to talk about they talk to the boy now to work for a garage where they for inside Yaoundé, and then later on they start talk about what will happen with General Chacha. Maybe gonna hear I go forward time because of lack of time.
When they run through the go for Yaoundé, so they go train a Kelebe no. They don't run train a Kelebe. They work around the same.
So what way it also reveal them and say one of these boys the way they be help for kill the ADF soldiers them for inside Bui. They don't actually go for Yaoundé, then go take money for the La Republic, their military them. They don't join them now, they work a show, they struggle, they try to show places soldiers they hide, me them begin kill them. Now they talk that way they go on for the
People in they come in there. As you see, I'm sure as this way. We listen as so na prisoner for the war or even though they go can shoot and no time the thing was a total catch you shoot and the prison. If you don't get good they can shoot you and shoot up. No problem, no problem. That's the thing I got. That's the thing I got, Mr. Eric. See, I've taken just a picture.
So this man they also talk about the anger towards this soldier where he execute the ADF soldier. I will forward down. Me go for the side for Chacha.
We don't keep 9 8 so 9 point they are fighting. Don't keep on Yaoundé. You know, so this thing is start to be kill from my brother. You know, so it comes Mitaro. Yeah, now because my mommy is small sister. Yeah, we don't finish for crying that just after yesterday. We don't finish that after yesterday. You know, the other one with some other two big boy when we kill him so from side. Some other one. Some other one. Yes. You know, one way they will try to die for Banzan. Yes. I don't know.
Ma forward them.
Many times you go sit where they do for you. No, true. You see, some people never talk to you, never. If you get bad luck, many times you go sit where they do for you. That's no small. If I say I know still again, I know how it work. The place where they come from me, they will try to talk to me and go catch and kill them. We don't finish that after yesterday. You know, the other one with some other two big boy, they will kill him so from side. Some other. They go there from China and kill him. You work another the same struggle, the work. Yes. Have you called me and go take Samari? Samari will call him, he must come back. He must come back. The
I want to hear the part for Chacha.
Yeah, the victim Samari come. Go call him and come back. Not true. If it takes Samari to call him, he must come back. If you take him because the fear and that kind of way, you will normally the face on your soul.
The audio is quite long, so now wait ma for look the place.
I think you just want to stop him. It is so now it's just anything you know about Baminda, Bafu some Fum and Fumot. You work for Fum and Fumot.
This one he talk about the sheikh. One of the sheikh he also talk about how he go visit for Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Arabia they talk about Ambazonia, their independence and other things, and because now a sheikh, now a big Muslim way there for Ground Zero Day for Babu Sam.
Then you stop the one way we work for Kumu. You go to you don't Trump. There's people in my team also the problem will be still they will totally enjoy until the paper will come be soft. Then the money for the one for the problem of branch is still there. Okay. We talk say all things about agriculture for around the world, all people in know, all information in Saudi Arabia they know I'm fine. Yes. And we talk. We talk say the thing will be so because some people they can't spoil them. We talk say all things about agriculture is all man know.
So this part they talk about the encounter with some sheikh them for inside Saudi Arabia, where they talk about Cameroon, Southern Cameroon independence, and I want forward and me talk about the part for the church.
No problem. And that's how the fear I got. That's how the fear I got is that if I could send people them from the when this point for age you want to no Trump. There's people in my team also the problem will be still they will totally enjoy until the paper will come be soft. You know, so the gain are fine. Yes, I've been know so more. Say that boy is so yes, the boy name the house and we charge we buy camion for you.
So when I hear the boy, the name, the driver is set for the camion in name we charge buy the camion girl for you.
And also in the talk to the explainer. C'est people in the work and make us show the blindfold people they hide them. In the work and show they take money for people they kidnap take money, buy things them. Don't buy things and keep them from our friends and the public to Cameroon where they work money. You know say I check this one no, check the ever she also check the project in the people in the Saudi Arabia.
So wait till we did the talk for that audio. na the facts and way they happen for ground. See General Chacha be carry all the ADF guns them, then go sell them. We be get intel. They not actually talk for this audio. Say go sell them for La Republic. But early on, I think we be done announcing for una say they be seize those ADF gun them. They infiltrate or they be make an arrangement. Then deliver those gun them for La Republic du Cameroon. They be give them a huge sum of money. Now that money where they be carry that money go buy Chacha carry that money go buy a camion. For instance, but for some for La Republic. For La Republic, una fit imagine. And the camion they for the woman they for the now they enjoy the money for the camion. I remember the time where the woman be come out. In be even talk about how they can assassinate Chacha and all those people they be suspicious for it. Either disappear. So now they for some the chop ADF money. They boil the way they done slaughter them for the 23 people they done slaughtered alive for small camion. For small camion. Imagine how much money we Amazonia get them for inside land. For people for go start sell a whole country, sell soldier the way they don't sacrifice their life, leave their own woman there for back, leave their pikin there for back, so they want go fight war for win war for we. Una go sell them because they want go buy camion. What a shame! 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 So I go take una now for the next audio where I want play am. Now audio where they talk about the chieftaincy thing. When I remember how they would talk about chieftaincy thing, this issue, this period, because of this Moja or na Jama or whatever they call him. But we know say him na a woman a call where they call him na Moja. So this tech for La Republique du Cameroon where don't come. They call na Moja on our TV that name. Ma forward these two audio them with the other phone so that me play properly. So this guy where they call Moja or na Wonja where that can begin spill La Republique. I get a very clear message for sender for you. Excuse me, mad check this thing. I get a very clear message to send about the guy Wonja. They call him Moja wait. But he name na a call na a woman a call na he be fund for some place for inside Bakwere land some small quarter for inside Bakwere. He can make noise say the one fight by many people them. So now the video this way that we come make them. We don't see how we La Republique they don't show we very well say you know be alone. Now a whole scheme where La Republique they be get them.
While fighting, I'm not going to fight with you.
See, now the so-called Diongote this, the so-called prime minister who will be expect for him to be a whole pure gentleman. Before the man even wants to confess, the Diongote already encourage say yes, good job, go fight them. When I see her for an eye,
I'm not going to hurt fighting. I'm not going to fight with unity. I'm not going to hurt anybody I'm not above.
Fighting against your own people for unity for La Republique for one and invisible foreign country. What a shame. So now it is the talk. I been tell I say the man they make a montage.
You just have to tell them.
But wait to where they make them. I go tell now for before I want to try to analyze which way it happened for tell now the facts about this their dangerous drama and how it show we how these people they really see we for their eyes, but we don't see them come out because of the backlash that way Diongote be showing the showy hand for up say fight. The backlash way that happen now way the boy he don't go now go the one make another old video for try for clean the Diongote name. He begin to talk say he don't come apologize. So maybe we now understand which way to go on at the video this.
Good morning to everyone. This is Chief Moja.
Now the chief man that see how the first make he head the turn. He know if he look straight. Chief man. Ma first come that head for this one stupid doorman.
I'm very happy yesterday that I was received by His Excellency.
So after all that dirty way that make
Good
him.
morning to everyone. This is Chief Moja. I'm very happy yesterday that I was received by His Excellency the Prime.
So a prime minister. I get message from So if the prime minister for a country go receive this Turk, go receive this doc, who if you only call it a doc, his so-called name as a chief, for inside office for sure na say they validate na then they behind this man in madness for inject hate speech against the people them for this Savannah states in the name of destroying, divide and rule. A hate speech if it even leads to genocide. May I first play the audio and then I'll come back for which they know can talk about this issue.
Who gave me a lot of advice and told me that hate speeches should not be made, and that southwest or northwesterners
So I hear what the talk.
Told me that hate speeches should not be made.
So hate speeches should not be made. This is they admit. So what he be the talk against the so-called graphy, against the so-called Bamenda people them na hate speech. When I remember, say na the same La République du Cameroun this, where their president, Mr. Paul Biya Mbondo, he signed document for 2019. Now the document this say na decree. According to this document, may I read the document for Unameguna here. The document when I hear the Mr. Paul Biya sign up. Section 241 verse the first paragraph it talks about it. Whoever by any means make hate speech against people or incite them to violence due to their tribal or ethnic origins shall be punished with imprisonment of up to 1 to 2 years and fine 300,000 to 3 million francs CFA. So now Mr. Paul Biya Mbondo, their own president for La Republic, he signed document only last year. Say any man will make hate speech, they go put him for prison at least 1 year minimum or up to 2 years. They go find that man 300,000 minimum or up to 1 million. Now here this the doc, the mad doc, a woman a call where the one to say me they call it a monja on a whatever type of childish name it will call it except say chief. Now it is if you use that hate speech against we Ambazonians of the Savannah states or the people of Bamenda. Hello. Yeah, Anthony. Yes. Okay, I'll call you later. Okay. Okay. You be sure, right? You be sure. Because we'll get pictures of them. Okay. 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 I'll call you after the show. I did live online. Yes. So na moja da or na wonja. Now wonja that it commit crime according to their own law. But if you get away with them because we will be na a colonized people. Now people the way they fit insult we, now people where they fit slaughter we, they fit rape our women, they fit burn our villages, and nothing will happen. Because we are a colony. This is a real face of colonialism. They fit do whatever they want and their law no apply for we unless now when they want to punish we. So these are the things the way they show now. It never make up to 1 month when I see for inside the Boya, around Boya area there, how we the SDO for La Republique, the woman they go cry say they don't create a new village, the chief for them they can't seize them, their land where they don't buy them with their money. The SDO they tell them say we now go back for place we now come out because they use hate speech against we for divide and destroy we from all across our territory. All across our territory. call we the Bamenda people. Bamenda. But they understand, you know, Bamenda na a head word when they use them in their own context. Because when they want to use Bamenda people for refer for the people for the Savannah state, it be wrong, na just hate speech. I've been a Bamenda boy. I was born in Boya, but I am a proud Bamenda boy. Escape them born me, I've been a Mezampiki, my village na Mezam, no. My village na Nkwen, no. Na Bamenda Nkwen, no. But I've been a Bamenda boy because Bamenda na a city. Bamenda no be place for farmers. Bamenda na a place for city dwellers, no be place for just farm workers. So when they say you be Bamenda boy, it don't necessarily mean say you come out for Atlantic zone or for Savannah zone. So for them to use this word Bamenda boys and Bamenda people. Now hate speech will come out from hell. Because first of all, Bamenda na a city. So the people that for instance Mezam and the one that for instance Nkwen and Mankon, where they accept all Ambazonians them, when they come for inside their territory, immediately knock their chairs before they say we be na Bamenda people then, we be proud for come up for Bamenda. Now because they know they be too civilized more than the Bakwere people, that means the Bakwere people then be so primitive. Thank God say only few of them dey. Inside Boya, you supposed to knock your chest and be Boya boy, irrespective of where you come from, so long as you are an Ambazonian citizen. These few Bakwere people, they know we not gonna let them in and destroy the legacy for people they like Mola Litumbe, where they don't work hard for our national unity and for the success of our national identity. When I remember when Endele and Foncha they be come up for Enugu, they come back for Boya, not before Bamenda, they come for Boya, capital city for Ambazonia. They come for inside Boya, then go election inside the Boya people them, inside the CDC worker them, where they get majority of them come up for the Savannah state, then vote Endele as the first prime minister for inside the southern Cameroons. No be Foncha. Because inside their mind, all winner one. Then vote Endele over Foncha. Inside CDC, them all the station the way they vote them for inside the area where now the so-called people them for the Graphi people them plenty for the. Muna understand say Graphi, grass fee no plenty for inside all the states there, inside the Savannah states. And I want to tell our people the way they live for inside the Bakwere land. Say me they understand one thing. The Bakwere Ambazonia na our Bakwere Ambazonia. And nobody can take it away from us. The people where they come up for other area, the way they migrate into Bakwere Ambazonia village, they work their hard-earned money. They bought their land out of their labor. That land is their land. If any man where he be instigated by a foreign government like La Republique, like this idiot, like this shumo, this kiafu safu where they call you say moja whatever, he come for your door, say me you go outside, take your collars, sharpen them, jump a box and paying inside that very Bakwere, you know get mob, you know if you talk for them. Inside Bakwere, now a small minority. And first of all, for inside the Atlantic state, Bakwere na minority village. Bakwere na minority village. And that Bakwere belongs to us, the Ambazonia people. Because our sovereignty is bigger than any tribes. Make them know very, very well. Inside Bakwere, Moja, or whatever you call your name, you don't get voice even past me. Inside that very, very Bakwere you talk am. You know first drive Bangwa people. You know first drive Bangwa people. Where they don't come buy land today. Inside the whole Ambazonia. Now only for Bakwere where they don't sell land today. Bulu, colonial master then get a whole village, Bulu village inside your own land, inside your village. You never go drive that foreigner them. Small dirty idiot man. I tell you this today for instance Ambazonia, place where you get a permanent resident as a citizen, you get right for vote for day. You be equally attached for that territory like any indigene. Because the privileges, the resources where the state go to put them for any place, because now a city, now a capital, it be tremendous, bigger in size, higher in consideration than any other village. And the people then, the resident there for day, they go get the right for live for day, for participate for politics for day, for organize themselves for politics for day, for defend that very city. So me, as a commode for inside the Savannah State, I am DDC inside your village, Mr. Fool Idiot, Shumbu like you. Inside your village, we will get power past you inside our village, and there is nothing you can do. We will develop that village more than you. Small village, primitive man. So when I feel say the people they were there for inside Kumba, they be too civilized. The one they for inside Mezam, Mancon people then they be too civilized where they go allow all man for talk say they be in a Bamenda people. Now a pride, it jolly you I don't know. For America, the most developed country, it be developed by migrants. You cannot reverse migrants. You fight against a rock. You cannot reverse migration. Inside every city or town, people they migrate from the rural area then for come for them for can develop that area then. So this their small dirty tribalism where they want bring them to save the agenda of La Republic has failed and will never work. They try with the wrong generation. So my country people, as I tell una about village, I go want to encourage una for play una this audio. Make una listen this audio. It will give una a good perspective about this issue concerning village. This audio na audio way it talk it come up for inside Bali, no inside Meta area there. But now audio way it give you very good information about village issue.
Bang up. Bang for Mwambeni yesi. Machala wol manu jimjim.
So I will tell you now about the basics for political science, the basics in terms of how people then evolve into a village. Like this, La Republic where them feel say our people then be so gullible. The fish will be so stupid, will never be educated enough for even know how human evolution then be. The one for tell we say chiefs and villages come from heaven. Say village now God make chief them be chief. The chief them be special more than any other human being. Now lie. Chiefs are normal human beings like you and me. They are just special. They just happen to come from a village, a family. Where it be done lead the village people then when they be do migration. That is all. Or from a renowned family where they provide protection. I be done tell you how they evolve. How a primitive man, they call an early man, is start to evolve from one person, a married woman, then look chop how they go. As soon as they go, the leader where they lead that group for go look chop, for go look land, where they protect them, people that they governize around them, now they become the leader. Then they become chief. They not be chief now because God make them chief. Now because now they be the leader, natural leader where they call them chief. They come up from that family, that alliance of family where make them chief. Now all about the land tenure system, the protection of economic, now all economics and military might. So I go play those audio, me gonna hear. He go tell a little bit about the history for some tribe for inside the Meta land, and he will give you an opportunity for me to explain for now the concept about this chief and this palace them, and I believe it will be very crucial for give una a very good lesson about this issue.
Bang up. I am about to talk about Besi Tibato, the from Fanong and from Minyang. Besi Tibato take us to Zantabi when our people came and settled at Zantabi.
So they want to tell now how the Meta people then come. Villages were not created by God. In say village, God can create Bali. God go create this one for this side. No. Now people they be migrate. As we the so-called Bantu people they migrate from the river Nile, they come down. People they settle for different area there. So now here the history for this village.
It was Tibato who discovered the values of Medic. It was while they were still at Zantabi. He came and discovered that those values, the values of Medic and part of Bomi, discovered them. Then discovered those who were occupying those values were occupied by Mundum people. Then he went to Zan and reported that he had seen a valley, a place which is very nice for settlement, they should go and drive away the Mundum people and occupy that place. By then, Babit was the warrior. That's the
So when I hear the history for this village for Meta, na Meta people that their history this for Meta. This Oyo commander because they get some chieftaincy problem. How la Republic they try for gadget. That means for make official for classify the fund for them. Na the history for the commander also. So the one a power way there for village. That means they re-power them for village. Now they talk this story now for them. Me they understand how the chieftaincy then come about. How one people then go see some place where you get fertile land. The one can settle for that place. Now they can't fight for them to take that land. After they take that land, they settle make their village today. And the chief way there for that place, the way now be the paramount chief, now the chief way now be the warrior who can fight for conquer get that land. So people they become na natural. Not be saying that God be make it. If you know be go take that land, they know for them for that village today. So make una understand this concept so that una will get the right perspective for know the kind place where the people that they door people the way they don't get no. When it comes according to her chief, then these are not chiefs.
And so they gathered their army. Kibato, who is Fanum, passed ahead, directed them. They went and drove the Mundum people from Medik, from the place now called Meta. And then they came now to settle. The fun of Yen settled where Yen is. I ask you to look at the stream. We may call it a river, but the stream, which is flowing from Acha, passing under Tat, and flowing right to Bengui. At the time of settlement, Fanum, but then called Tibato, settled in Jinibi, which was an empty place that had driven away the Mundum people. He settled there with his children in a quarter called Guford. That Guford, the motor road which is branching from the other Tad market, passing inside Jinibi. Immediately you cross that stream, you are in Guford, and that is Jinibi. You go right straight until you reach the other stream which is below the school. That is Toloko. Those are all the Monon family people, the Fanum's people. Even if some people then came on board lands and building in between, those are the Monon people. Toloko, which is below the school and the school campus itself. Now, Fanum found that Guford was not convenient for him. So he decided to transfer his palace from Guford, Jinibi, to basic Kibato where it is now.
So now the year how a fund they transfer a palace, transfer a village from one place to another, one settlement to another. That is how villages came about. That is how fondoms came about. So make no man no ever can they see these people and feel say, now God be create this village, now God be create this fund, like this door man where they call in how they call this class from 3 drop out. Atanganji Paul, the camp can talk say na Chief Mukete every day. Now God make Chief Mukete be chief. No, God never make Chief Mukete may be chief. He no be above the law. He no be above the human life for inside that village. If for Mukete, he go against the will of the people, we not bring it down. We not evolve as a people into a state. We are a state, we are a country. The time for tribes have evolved. Tribes, traditional rulers do not rule anymore. They don't have any authority or power to rule over the people because the dynamic way we keep them for that place as traditional rulers do not exist anymore. You don't need for go do hunting anymore for get chop. If you go buy land for another village, you don't need for talk the same talk. But stay for place where the other people they can't fight to protect your land anymore. We get currency now. We get record keeping now. Those era for chiefs and fund, their rule and domination has come to an end. Especially when these people they don't bring all type of manipulation for our tradition for selfishness, just driven by selfishness. You go to some village, they talk say na only man be give it chop gizzard for fowl. Not be because say something they for that gizzard way na only man need them. Now because say he fine. So now only corny way for begin take thing for people. The same people the way they say now they be chief. Now they go sell we for German people for slavery. For instance, slavery now they go sell we for slaves. The same people that were chief, the one for instance Bali or for Bali Kumbar or Bali Usai, Bali Nyonga. Now you go sign treaty with the Germans for come go cash people and begin send them in and go work for Sonera for CDC. So this era would not evolve as a people and would not say unequivocally say the era for chief rule is over. The latest poll where they be taken from the research from the how do they call this group for Canada, the Coalition for Negotiation and Dialogue, it shows that the vast majority of Southern Cameroonians do not see their chiefs as rulers. They just see them as custodians of their tradition. Just like the British people that evolved from a kingdom to an imperial system and to now a state, a prime ministry state, where they have the outlook is no more a queen ruling. The queen is just there. Even the speech of the queen is written by the prime minister. That means that the queen do not have any mouth to say anything. They just keep it there because they need that prestige. Psychologically, the people then be attached to that thing. Psychologically, culturally, they be attached to it. So they keep it for the cultural value, not be for governance. So make our people they know, and they know that one very, very well. I mean, they know the right way to look at these people. So when a useless man like this one come out, no matter the traditional title they don't put on his head, he is not good for nothing. He is not supposed to even speak when people are speaking, when proper people are talking. Because their intention not be for protect the people, not be for defend the people, but now for use that position for go take money, for go sell the money, the people them, for get your own personal glory. That era way they be the seed and they kneel down, they worship them because they will get protection from them. It don't be over. It don't be over. So ladies and gentlemen, I go leave on for here and the defense briefing way one game for now. It will continue next time. The stabilization project it go on very, very well. Now the fundings and they come late. I would encourage our people to say me them fund the stabilization fund. It be very crucial at this stage for our revolution where most of this group the way they don't be abandoned by the IG, they struggle for come under we. Most of those people they need more equipments. Our RPG then be needed. The heavy equipment they will need them for stabilize. So for fight against kidnapping for ransom, it be highly needed. And we call on una say me gonna invest for una freedom by supporting the Amazonian Defense Forces this project so that we will implement fully the roadmap we will get them for attain our independence. And we hope now say the failure for the negotiation between the United Nations, the United Nations will be engaged directly with La République du Cameroon. We hope say this failure now go mean it go enter into a new phase where the United Nations will go decide for bring this issue for the Security Council for tell the world say they need now for put sticks, not just carrots, so that Mr. Pobia go calm down on his knees for come for the international community for negotiate properly for the exit for La République so that the two countries they go their separate ways because there's no way we can stay together with these people. Now na time for push Cameroon. Now na time for the United Nations for release their report on the Garbu massacre because we already know so they don't do their own investigation and that investigation will put Mr. Pobia ultimately responsible for the killing of the people from Garbu. That case alone it will lead for Mr. Pobia for go for the ICJ or the same way they will do it for Omar Bashir, they will do it for he tell you say if you no go free our freedom they will put you for prison. We know say the man way like himself too much he like that he Shantabia he go decide for leave with me will go free for Amazonia so that we will get our freedom. Maybe we'll turn up fine, we'll hold our struggle strong. Eventually, we will attain our freedom, our independence be inevitable. God bless you now. Capo Daniel, signing out.